Now we are going to increase on the slip stitches rows, but only in this first row when we're knitting, and we're knitting with the blue. So we knit 3 and then we knit front and back, knit to the end of the row, and then knit front and back, knit 3 at the end. I'll finish that up and then show you what to do with the contrasting color. All right, so we've increased 2 with a knit front and back at the beginning and the end of that blue row, and then I've slid the needles over to the beginning again so we can do the contrasting color. And just like before, you slip 3, knit 1, slip 1, and see I'm just slipping that extra one that we just made. Knit 1, slip 1, all the way to the last 3 stitches. Okay, so just to go over this, you slip 3 and then you knit 1 contrast color and then slip the next stitch, and that's where you had increased before, the row before when you were knitting all blue. And then you go every other stitch all the way to the last 3 stitches and you slip those. Now the next 2 rows are the same as the previous slip stitch rows that you've done in the past, where you're going to purl the whole thing blue and then slip 2, purl 1 CC, purl 1 blue, purl 1 CC, purl 1 blue, and so on.